let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Tango gold level choreography with teaching count. Quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with first 2 steps of reverse turn into reverse outside swivel. We continue with progressive link, achieving promenade position. From here we dance close promenade, but this version, when the man turns square, next figure is 4 step. Now Fallaway Promenade. Notice promenade and then Fallaway positions. Again promenade position, and from here we dance closed promenade. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. This time we will focus on directions of movement. So we take close hold and start facing diagonally to center with reverse turn steps into outside swivel. We finish down line of dance, progressive link, achieving promenade position and ready to move down line of dance with close promenade, man turns square, then 4 step we start diagonally to wall against line of dance, then against line of dance. Fallaway Promenade, we start down line of dance and then continue diagonally to center. We finish diagonally to wall with closed promenade.
Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.